playing Animal Hospital? It's like a horror game or something? So yeah. Okay. So now, the intro. Whoop! Okay, I'm ready. You're pink. You're pink, Bonnie. So let's go. Shush. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna leave. Okay, you stay in there and check the patient. Okay. All right. What? What? Why? You know what? Fine. I'll do everything. Okay. So you're too lazy to. I got this. Take a photo. Take a photo. Let's inspect. Come on.
Put on the computer.
Yeah, it looks pretty much the same to me. Let me put that down now. Ooh, oh. Right, very good, very good. Take it. I'll talk to him. Okay, I'm going. Bob Monty, you stay here, okay? Wait for me to be back. Bye. Come on, my good sir. Get in here.
Where's she going?
We have some work to do. So I hope insane stuff doesn't happen. Okay, what's up? Mama here, yo. Hop. Okay. Come on, be faster. Be faster. Be faster. There we go. Okay, I gotta check. Stomachache, I don't know. Herbs, right? Yep, herbs. Yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm going. I'll be there soon. I'll be there soon. Just come on. Okay, you sleep and have fun. Bye. Oh, what's up? Why are you tweaking, boy? Why are you tweaking? Let me see the camera real quick. How we already have a camera? Oh, nah, bro. You a demon. Get out of this house. Bye. Bye. Go. Get out. Okay. Leave. You need to leave now. Go. You need to leave. Go. Goodbye. Thank you very much. Go faster. Get out. Down. Bye. Enter it. This is what I see. Are you serious right now, bro? Yeah, I can look for you through the door. When I get in the room, then look at you. Oh, damage. How does that work, boy? No, I'm gonna just do this, boy, because I'm not trying to shower and do that. Hurry. I know, don't look up. Oh, what action is needed? Let's see. A rash. Boy, why did you tell me that you had a rash? You don't need to get scanned and all this special stuff. You need to tell me, boy. I'm gonna jump on. Okay, whatever.
Oh, okay, get it by myself.
Alright, go to sleep, boy. Go to sleep.
Oh, I didn't want it by myself.
God, I wish I could shoot that picture with a freaking
No,
gun.
look.
Okay, I've seen YouTube had to deal with that thing. You need maple syrup. They need to jump. Okay, I got this. Woo! Ah! Yes! Let's go! I'm not gonna do my job. Thank you, good sir. Oh, he gone. Okay.
Okay, the same.
Come on, hurry. I don't have all day. I don't have all week either. Thank you. You have a stomachache? Okay. I don't get why all the animals need some special equipment just to find out they have a stomachache or like a rash or eye drops. Like, dog, you can just tell me that. But whatever.
One person is coming to you.
Alright then. I'm gonna sleep.
Coming for you.
I'm not. If someone faints, I'm throwing them away in the trash bin. Are they meant to real? Are they? I don't know, buddy. I'm the new hire. Now shoot up and go faster. Go. Go. Yeah, I'm the best. I deserve it anyways. I need some coffee. Cause he's driving me crazy. Bro. I just got coffee. I'm gonna have the coffee. No, man, I'm gonna take 3 sips. Take it. Oh, I drunk it all. Oh, that's sad. Okay, wait, buddy. You gotta wait like an entire hour. Okay?
Coffee.
Oh, you guys, I just bought some coffee. Here you go. You're welcome. You got some.
You look at my good there. You're talking to me.
Okay, now please get out. Get out. Get out. No, don't come back. What? Get your coffee looking at. Yeah, coffee. But why you ask coffee out of the hospital? But this is a hospital. This ain't a coffee stand. Well, let me talk. Oh, there we go. I fixed the camera. Now, what are you? Get out. You know, let me just see this real quick. Surprisingly, that thing's not.
Let's post this. Robin, when you post the comment?
Oh my god, I just came back from me. Okay, now what is the. Bro. Are you serious right now, Brenda? Okay, let me see this. Yep. Here, I'm the taser yet. Man, get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. No, get out. Man, get out. Come on. Guys, so guess who I just found? It's my boy Rat New here on somewhere. Let me just. Very good. Come on, hurry up. Okay, there you go, my boy. And then goodbye. My heart just sunk into my butt. Did he not pay the electricity bill? Well, the lights fit, bro. Okay. What about you? Oh. No. That's not gonna. Oh, I need coffee. Get out, please. You broke the glass. Are you proud of this? Oh, seems like you are, because you're walking off. Whatever. Okay, good side. He went through very good. I'm happy to know it's gone to that side, because they did all crash out. You. Alright, oh, yeah. The last person they hired, I think they're gone or something. Bro. With all pleasure, I need you to get out. No. Why? What? That's not even, that's kind of close to what you look like, but no. Please leave. Please leave. Need to leave now. Please. Thank you very much now. Now leave. No, you. Okay, hold on. I'll give him a chance. Let me open this. I'll give you a chance. Okay. I tried. I really tried, guys. Bye. Is there any people that are hiding on the walls? No. We haven't killed it. Oh, I realized I haven't heard my first shot. Oh, I'm gonna tell you that. I'm gonna tell you yes, it's my happiest day of my life. You first. Come here. Oh! Good taste. I guessed it. I didn't even know. I didn't even check. Yeah, what's up, Matthew? What? Something he was going up here. Yeah, I believe you. Okay, I'm ready. I'll stay alert. Don't have to check this boy. I know. Because my boy around. Come on, good sir. Time for you to go. Peace. Why? You have children saying I hate doing the sick. Nope. What's your name? Jack Balls? Okay. Okay, cool. Now I'll check the skip. Okay, no, it's okay. Let's see a picture. So have to say about that. Please don't make her. Okay. So, what we have to do here is gone. Taser it? No, man, bro, whatever. Okay, you get sir. Let's check you on the cameras. Man, man, the picture can expose your dog and things. Man, why can't I say this boy? Whatever, man. I'm gonna tell you later. I'm gonna tell you something later. What? You're going trash. Nope, you're going trash. You're going to the trash.
Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up like Animal Hospital. I had some fun. I might do a part 2. I don't really know. It's kind of hard because I only have 30 seconds to record on using Roblox because I can't like film while playing. I don't know how to do that yet. So yeah, that's gonna wrap up like Animal Hospital. I enjoyed playing it. So yeah, hey, what's up? Oh yeah, and I can subscribe, share too. Okay, bye.